Good morning, everyone. My name is Vani Jain, and I'm excited to present my project Aura with you guys today. Aura, a supportive mental health companion designed during my internship with Cohort. These are the topics that I will be covering up today. So, before I dive into the details about my project, I would like to tell you guys about myself. I am a grade 12 student from Delhi with a passion for technology and artificial intelligence. Beyond academics, I'm a published author and love working on projects that combine creativity and impactful innovation. My goal with Aura was to create something that not only uses AI but also supports people's emotional well being. Before I began, I want to thank my parents for their unwavering support, my mentors, Mr. Abhishek, for his guidance, and Mr. Ken Khan for providing me with this opportunity. And lastly, the online communities that helped me learn. This encouragement shaped this project. My 2 month internship with Clever gave me hands on experience with AI, sharpening my coding skills and helping me translate theory into real applications. Aura is the culmination of that journey. So you might ask, oh, what is Aura's goal? Simply put, it's to provide a flexible and supportive mental health companion. I wanted to design an app that helps people check in on themselves, seek help when they need it, and reflect on their experience privately. About the app, Aura integrates three core features: depression risks through AI modules, empathetic chatbot interactions with a contextual memory, a personal journal for private reflection. This ensures that users can choose how they want to engage with flexibility and privacy. So you might be asking, how do I use this app? So the natural flow is straightforward. A user can begin with a mental health assessment, which gives a quick snapshot of the depression risks that the person might follow in the future. If the user feels they need further support, they can move into the empathetic chatbot conversation. And after that, they can choose to write in a journal to reflect and process their emotions, which is saved as a CSV file later on with the timestamp. But the key is flexibility. Nothing is forced. Users can skip the assessment entirely and head straight forward to the chat or the journal, depending on what feels comfortable. The main menu and navigation. The apps open with a simple main menu with three buttons: mental health assessment, talk to bot, and journal. Users can start whenever they want and wherever they like and switch modes easily, making it intuitive even for the first time users. Now, next up, we have mental health assessment. This option uses sliders and drop downs to gather details like age, sleep, stress, mood, and more. The AI then predicts the likelihood of depression risks and exclaims the results clearly. It's not a medical diagnosis, just a guidance tool. Accuracy depends on honest input. The second option is talk to bot. The chatbot uses a sentiment analysis model to detect the emotions as joy, sadness, anger, or fear. The interface is simple. Type a message, click analyze, and see three outputs: detected sentiment with confidence, a empathetic reply, and resource suggestions. You can even look at the previous conversation and the whole conversation. It remembers the recent conversation turns through accuracy may vary, and the intent is needed for lengths. The third option is journal. The journal offers a private space to reflect. Entries are saved with date and time in a CSV file, and the box clears for the next entry. It's simple and digital. Entries aren't encrypted and need file permissions. Still, it's a very easy way to capture personal thoughts. Now, I would like to take you through the Excel sheet that I built while building my app. First up, we have the interface. This is the interface I plan on implementing later in future while building the proper interface for the Google access. Here we have all three models and the login page, the entry page. This is the mental health assessment page. This is the bot, the Aura, and this is the journal feature. Now, next we have the feature checklist table. The app includes an LSTM based sentiment analysis model with 6 emotion categories that are sadness, joy, love, anger, fear, and surprise. A mental health risk assessment model using a multi factor inputs like age, sleep, stress, and exercise. A digital journal with CSV storage for personal entries, conversation memory, resource library links, and real time prediction visualization. All features have been fully implemented and tested. Next up, the test plan table. I conducted structured tests to validate every part of the app. Joy and sadness inputs correctly trigger accurate sentiment detection with appropriate empathetic responses. The mental health assessment predicts low risk and high risk cases accurately, providing guidelines. Journal entries save reliably to LCSV with timestamps. The system also handles errors gracefully, like empty inputs and extremely long text. Next, we have the event handlers. The app interactively comes for a well mapped set of event handlers, patterns and navigations and savings, sliders and drop downs for health assessments, sentiment analysis triggers with confidence scores, a resource library with external links for further help. Now it is time for a live demonstration of the app. So, first, it welcomes you and asks you to choose a mode. Let me choose the mental health assessment mode. So, now it will assess my mental health and show my depression risk, although it's very high. So, I would like to talk to a bot about how I'm feeling. So, if I say I am sad, it will analyze the text, the bot will reply, and there will be a quick info where it will tell how it detected these sentiments. So it detected sadness. Here is the context summary about what I said and how the bot replied. And here we have a resource library where I can just click on any link and it will lead me to a link, and I can just study about whatever I'm feeling. Even if I write, I am afraid of my exam, then it will again analyze the sentiment. The bot will reply with a new reply. Now it senses fear. And here is the context summary again. There is yet another resource for fear. So this is anxiety disorders. And you can even see the full conversation that you had with the bot. Now, if you want to journal your feelings, you can do that too by the journal feature. For example, I just want to save this. I'll just copy paste this here and save the entry. The journal has appeared in a CSV file with date and the entry I saved. Thank you so much. To conclude, Aura is more than just an AI project. It's a compassionate tool designed to support emotional well being. By combining technical innovation with empathy, it provides users with assessment, conversation, and reflection all in one place. Thank you, and I'd be glad to take your questions. If any, please email me on this.